Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 35, reproduction in animals. In this worksheet we will discuss about types of reproduction, also male reproductive organs in human being. We know that reproduction is a biological process. कौन सी process है? That is biological process in which new organism or offspring is produced. This process is known as reproduction. It is essential for continuity of life on earth. क्यों ज़रूरी है? To make the continuity of life on earth, it is essential. It is of two types. First one is sexual reproduction and second one is asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two organisms, parent male or female, are required for producing a new organism or offspring. Such reproduction is called sexual reproduction, in which male and female organisms both are required. Asexual reproduction, in asexual reproduction only single organism can produce a new organism. तो जिस reproduction में single organisms के through new organism और offspring produce होता है, that type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. As we have already studied in previous class, that plants that produce sexually have male and female parts that are located in flower or reproductive organ of plant. Flower is the reproductive organ of flower in which male and female parts are located. Male part is centroecium and female part is gynoecium. So in animals like flower or like plants, in animals also male and female have different reproductive parts or organ. मेल और फीमेल में क्या होते हैं? अलग अलग reproductive organs होते हैं. The main function of these reproductive organs, what is the main function of these reproductive organ, is to produce the gamete. Means production of gametes. Gametes क्या होते हैं बच्चों? These are produced by the reproductive organs, and by the fusion of gametes zygote is formed, which is called first cell of life, and it is the zygote which develop a new individual or offspring. जाइगोट से क्या बनता है? जाइगोट डेवलप होकर एम्ब्रियो बनाते हैं और एम्ब्रियो डेवलप होकर न्यू इंडिविजुअल और ऑफस्प्रिंग प्रोड्यूस करता है. दिस टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम द फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल गैमीट इज कॉल्ड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. जब जिस रिप्रोडक्शन में मेल और फीमेल गैमीट फ्यूज होकर जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, एंड देन जाइगोट कन्वर्ट इनटू और जाइगोट प्रोड्यूसेस न्यू individual. Such type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. Male gamete is known as sperm. Name of male gamete is sperm and female gamete is ovum. What is the name of female gamete? Ovum. Female gamete is called ovum. Male gamete is called sperm. When these two fuse together, they form zygote, which is the first cell of life. And zygote after division converted into new individual. It makes new individual. Now we will discuss sexual reproduction in human. First of all, we will discuss about male reproductive system. The male reproductive system includes a pair of testes and two sperm duct, also a penis. These three are main parts of male reproductive system in human being. These are testes, pair of testes. These are sperm duct and this one is penis. So these are three main parts of male reproductive system. What is the function of testes? Testes produce a male gamete called sperm. Male gamete को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों हम? Sperms and a male hormone called testosterone. These are produced by testes. Millions of sperms are produced by testes. Sperm is the single cell with all of usual cell components. Sperm क्या है? Just like a cell, or it is a single cell with all the usual cell components and half number of chromosomes. Sperm contain half number of chromosome than the normal cell. Normal cells में कितने क्रोमोसोम होते हैं? 46. Sperm cell contain 23 chromosome. Though the sperm are very small in size, each has head, middle piece and tail. So this is the picture of sperm is given to you. This part is head, this one is middle part, and this is the tail of sperm. The tail moves with whip-like movement. Tail provide the movement to the sperm. Back and forth propel the sperm towards the egg. The sperm have to reach the uterus. यहाँ किस किस कहाँ पहुँचना होता है sperm को? Sperm have to reach the uterus and the fallopian tube in order to fertile the ovum to produce zygote. Zygote बनाने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? Fusion of male and female gamete means fusion of sperm and ovum. For this purpose, sperm जो है move towards uterus with the help of tail movement. Now we will discuss the question answer. First question is define reproduction. तो reproduction क्या होता है? It's a biological process by which plants or animals give rise to offsprings or produce new individuals. What is the difference between the sexual and asexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction required both male and female individuals to produce new offsprings, while when the reproduction takes place by a single parent, such type of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. Define sexual reproduction. Does it occur only in plants? No, it occurs also in animals. And sexual reproduction को आप कैसे define करेंगे? Two organisms, parent, male and female, are required to producing new offsprings or organisms. Such type of reproduction is known as sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are formed, and by the fusion of male and female, zygote is formed. After the division, zygote converted into new individuals. Question number 3. Question number 3 is draw a well-labeled diagram of male reproductive system. Name the male reproductive organs. You have to write the male reproductive organs. These are 3 male reproductive organs: pair of testes, 2 sperm duct and a penis. And you have to draw the diagram by looking or by seeing the diagram given to you. Question number 4. What do we call a male gamete? Male gamete को हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? It is called sperm. Where it is produced? It produced in testes. So you have to write the answer of this question. Very simple question. Right, true or false? Sperm is not a single cell structure. This is wrong because sperm is a single cell structure. Second, testes produce sperm and testosterone hormone. This statement is correct or true. Thanks for watching.